Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok template in Capcut. Now it's an extremely easy process, so what you have to do is, firstly just simply open your TikTok. Now, in order to use any template from Capcut, there are two solutions that you can try. The first is, just simply go to the search panel and search for Capcut template. Now, right over here you will find a lot of videos, so just simply wait for a few seconds. And then you will find the top performing videos over here. So what you will do is just simply open one of them or go to the video section at the very top and then you will find all of them. So now once you're able to see all of them, in order to use any of the template, all you have to do is just simply choose that particular video, like for example this one. Then you will be able to see a small option called Capcut try this template. Choose that option. Now the template will be copied, so click on use template in Capcut. Now you should have the Capcut application on your phone, because it is necessary. Now, just simply click on agree and continue. And now wait for a few seconds and the Capcut should automatically start. And as you can see, right now we are in Capcut and the template have also opened. All you have to do is just simply click on use template at the very bottom. Then click on allow. And then you can start with your video. You can just simply use the effect directly or you can record a video and use the effect after that. It's totally up to you. Now, the second option that you can try is, just simply go to your Google and search Capcut TikTok template. Just simply search that and you should find a lot of websites that is offering you free templates that you can use. Like for example, right over here at the very first, just simply choose that option. Now over here you will find the top trending Capcut filters that are currently available. So all you have to do is simply pick any one of them, like for example this one. Just simply click on it and then just simply scroll down and you should find the option use template on Capcut. Like for example this one over here, they're all different type of templates that you can use. So all you have to do is just simply click on use template on Capcut and that will redirect you to Capcut. Over there you can see the template and use the template. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.